Hello everyone, myself Amit Kumar Mane, founder Global Pharma Academy. Today we are going to discuss all about the clinical data management career opportunity. What do you mean by clinical data management? So it is a internal part of the clinical research operation. All the clinical trials whatever conducted are the collection of this data, then it is integration and validation can be done in the clinical data management. So in the clinical data management, the basic work is the desk work. Mostly some contract research organizations and some healthcare IT companies hire the clinical data manager, and it is a good scope and salary as well. In terms of the future also, clinical data management is one of the prominent field. So if you want to build the career in clinical data management, you must need to know what are the skill set and knowledge needed in clinical data management field. At the same time, what are the job responsibilities, what is the workflow, and what are the different phases involved in the clinical data management and interview questions. So this video will cover all the basic aspect of the clinical data management. If you are looking for clinical data management career, this video will definitely help you. So I request all of you to watch this video till the end so that you can completely understood about the clinical data management field. So let's get started. First of all, I will tell you what do you mean by clinical data management. As I say earlier, it is the collection, integration and validation of the clinical trial data. So collection means the whatever the clinical trials are conducted, all data are collected. So firstly it was collected in the paper data is there, then it is now electronic data is collected, then it will be stored in the different softwares like Viva Worlds, like Medidata, like Oracle Clinical. So it depends on the company and sponsor requirement. Then the next one, integration. So all the data whatever collected can be saved in one database. That is about the integration. And at the end, the validation. In the validation, user acceptance testing, then quality control and programming takes place. Okay, so these are all the basic information about the clinical data management. Now we'll move to the different workflow of the clinical data management, how it works. So as it is in the mentioned in the image, there are different phases involved in the clinical data management, such as protocol review, then clinical, then case report form design and review, then clinical database application and development, then CRF tracking, then data entry, then medical coding, then transform this data to the SAS department, then database application security, then it archival and backup. Now we'll move to the next. It is the different designations in the clinical data management. So the clinical data manager you can work where all the work is to collect the data. Then clinical database programmer where CRF annotation is done. Then quality control programmer is also there, medical coder is also there. Here medical coding means MEDRA coding and WHO DD coding, WHO DD coding, this can be used. Now we'll move to the different phases of the clinical data management. The clinical data management, there are three phases: setup, conduct and close out. Here in the setup phase, CRF design, development, then database building and testing, then edit check preparation is conducted. Then conduct phase, data entry, discrepancy management, data review, SAE reconciliation, data coding. Then closeout phase, quality control, database lock and archival. Then we will discuss about the different skill set and knowledge required. So the skill set is nothing but you need to know MS Office knowledge, especially Excel you need to know. So check the Excel, even learn the advanced Excel because all the data working on the Excel only. Next is all about the technical skill and again communication skill, then email writing skill. Okay, these are needed. About the knowledge, you need to know the different ICH GCP guidelines, the different guidelines where we are used, even like 21 CFR part 11, what does it means, and the different clinical data management phases. Okay, so we'll move to the next. It is about the interview. So in interview, the first round will be the HR round, then the next will be the technical round. In HR round, maybe they ask about, tell me about yourself, your strength and weakness, why you want to join our company, why we select you. These kind of the questions will be asked. Then the next one about the technical round. In technical round, first they will ask about 21 CFR part 11, then different clinical data management phases. Even they will check like different phases and like even the activities like edit check specification, UAT user acceptance testing, then SAE reconciliation, archival. What does it mean actually, how the data works, how the data flow. You need to know that basic information. Then the next one is you need to have an idea about the ICH guidelines, especially safety guidelines. Okay, so these questions might be asked. So if you want to know about the clinical data management complete knowledge, you can join the 3-month certification course in the clinical data management, where you will get complete clinical data management knowledge from the expert, then skill development sessions for soft skill development, and placement assistance, where we are providing all the placement assistance, all pan India, help you for the placement as well. So this is job oriented course. If you want to know more, just fill the Google form given in the description or call to the given number. Okay, so this is all about the clinical data management. So if you want to build career in clinical data management, how to build the career, how to approach as a fresher, already we prepare this video. In I button I provide you the link, just check and you can watch it. So that's it all about. So clinical data management is vast career opportunity. You definitely have to try if you are a pharma student, if you are medical science and life science students. So I hope you understood complete this video and the information related to this. If you like the content, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to share this video to your friends and colleagues. That's it from this video. I wish you all the best.